Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to uh, fix or repair this cracked PVC pipe, which is actually in the loft, which I have in the loft. It is very simple to use it because if you get a plumber, that it will cost you very dear. So what you just need few items to fix this. First you need a coupling, which is called straight overflow coupling. Now this pipe is actually of 21 mil or mm, and this you need a coupling like this. This is also 21.5 mil mm. You need a cutting blade. You just need a cutting blade like this, where you have to cut this little bit to make it bigger, so this coupling fits. And you need a glue, any glue you can find. Okay, so the first what I have to do is I have to measure this the gap whereby the pipe actually fits into it, and then glue this coupling, and that's it, and then it will there forever, permanently, as long as it remains, doesn't come weight on top of it again. So let's do this again. So I'm just going to cut this pipe. I'll take the measurement first before cutting this. I removed a little piece of here. You can see that it's leaking. So now you put this glue, put the side. So I'm putting this and that's it. So I'll put more glue here, so when this dries it will give you a proper like a sealant. So I'll put the glue on both sides, all round. And this is the way you'll fix the repair or broken or cracked PVC pipe. This will stop also leaking. If you see there was a leakage or it was leaking, and this is how you will fix your pipe. Thanks for watching.